This is the video for Tara Gill's final presentation for the SMART application deployment. The three applications that I chose to look at were the CareFluence Patient Portal, the Visual DX Diagnostic CDS, and the CDS Connect Pain Management Summary. So I'm going to be demonstrating how you deploy those in the SMART App Sandbox. So you can find your app in the SMART App Gallery. And the CareFluence Patient Portal is under Care Coordination. And it has the information here. So we can use this link at the top. And I got to this by using the tab for the sandbox under the Smart Health IT Build Apps Smart Sandbox, and then App Launcher under Website. So we have to make sure that the FHIR version matches what is listed here. So we see it's DSTU2. So that's what we have selected here. And we're just going to put our link here. We can see we're in the simulated EHR sandbox environment now. And this brings us to be able to interface with the application. So for our second app that we wanted to look at was the Visual Diagnostic CDS tool, which I just used the same process in the app gallery to get to this application. Go back to our Smart App Launcher under the sandbox. Now this one could be compatible with either. So I just went ahead and went with version 2 again. Which gets you to the login. And this also is a really neat tool for providers to look at medications and differential diagnoses. I loved the icons that it has. It makes it really easy to use. Very cool. And the last application was the CDS Connect Pain Management Summary. And I'm going to go actually back to the gallery so I can get the basic link to plug in. Oops. Go under Medications, CDS Connect. So here's our URL here. Now I can go back to the sandbox. So this also has the version 2 FHIR compatibility. So we're okay to leave that as version 2. So we're in the simulated EHR again. We can try the app. And this is also really helpful, especially for doctors that are trying to manage opiates in patients. They might have a long history of taking multiple different medications and have multiple different prescriptions, hopefully not from multiple providers, but sometimes that happens. So this would be really helpful for providers to see what doses patients have been on, how often are they having to increase the dose, things like that. So this was just a basic overview of how to use Smart App and deploy in the sandbox. Thank you.